Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create or make stunning thumbnails from AI, and that's for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button now for our future videos. Now let's back to the video. What you need to do is go to this website app.myshell.ai, right? It will give you a lot of free features, a lot of stunning features here, and you can use it for free. But here you can see thumb maker. Click on this thumb maker. I already loaded up here. In here it gives you 4 types of features. One is freestyle mode, second is template mode, third one is upload a reference image, and the fourth one is write a message. For example, I want to create a thumbnail for this video. So create a stunning thumbnails through AI, and also I want to include and also add some custom thumbnails in it, and then hit enter. So it gives you 60 points for that usage. You can see that, and every thumbnail cost about 8 points, so about so many thumbnails in one day. It is the free version. Now here you can see it gives you the prompt first, all the guidelines here. Just click on use it. Now in here you can change these things. These are the main bold text. We are stunning thumbnails, but here is the missing one here, through AI. But I want this through to be small. Now go down here, it will show you everything here, and then click on run. Now wait here about most of the time 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Wait for it, and the task is starting. Now after 1 minute we got our thumbnail right here. You can see here, if you do not like it, you can just click on retry again and change the instruction and get a thumbnail right here. But what I need the most, and let me tell you, click on go back home. Now in here you can see this upload reference image. Click on this, and I want a thumbnail like this. Where is that? Click on downloads. I want a thumbnail like this. Exactly it shows that. You need to upload that thumbnail you want to look alike. So then click on run. It will first scan that image and give you instruction about that. Wait for it. Now it gives you these instruction: crop, perfect thumbnail. Scan that thumbnail. Let's click on use it, and I want to change this crop of perfect thumbnail to stunning thumbnail. Now what we need, let me go down here, 10x free click through rate. I want to leave it like here. Click on run. So which image I just uploaded? I uploaded this one. Let me show you that. I want a thumbnail like this. This will turns this thumbnail into your thumbnail. Task is starting. Wait for it. And our thumbnail is designed. Let's go down there, and here you can see stunning thumbnail. I love this one. My video thumbnail will be this. So let me show you another example of it. For example, yesterday I uploaded this image. It gives me this, and then I turn that to this. And by this application you can create stunning thumbnail. You can create everything. You can just click on explore and check out what they offer. This is not a sponsor video, but I'm using it a lot, so just go and check out. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.